Welcome back to Bike Review Hub. Today, we are switching gears and diving into the world of midsize SUVs with a first look at the 2026 Honda Passport. Known for its rugged capability and everyday comfort, the new Passport is back with bold updates. Let's explore what Honda has packed into this adventure-ready SUV. Design and styling. The 2026 Passport gets a refreshed exterior that leans more into its off-road personality. A larger grille, redesigned LED headlights, and a tougher front bumper give it a more aggressive stance. The rear also gets updated tail lamps and a sportier tailgate design. Whether you're in the city or on a trail, the Passport now looks the part of a modern adventure vehicle. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, Honda retains the proven 3.5L V6 engine pushing out around 280 horsepower, paired with a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission. But for 2026, expect improved fuel efficiency and refined power delivery. The available all-wheel drive system with intelligent traction management ensures solid performance on snow, mud, or sand, making the Passport a capable weekend warrior. Ride quality and handling. Built for both on-road comfort and light off-road action, the 2026 Passport strikes a great balance. It glides over bumps smoothly and remains composed around corners. Whether you're commuting daily or heading out on a long road trip, the suspension setup and cabin insulation deliver a premium feel without losing its rugged charm. Interior and tech. Inside, the Passport continues to impress with spacious seating, high-quality materials, and updated tech. A new 12.3-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto take center stage. Honda also adds more USB-C ports and a customizable digital driver display. With over 100 cubic feet of cargo space and underfloor storage, it's as practical as it is tech-savvy. Safety and features. Honda Sensing is standard across all trims, offering adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation braking. For 2026, enhancements in camera and radar systems improve accuracy and response. Whether you're cruising highways or navigating narrow trails, the Passport has your back. The 2026 Honda Passport is not trying to be the flashiest SUV, it's about substance. With solid power, smart upgrades, and more rugged appeal, it's built for drivers who want reliability with a touch of adventure. If you're looking for an SUV that blends comfort, capability, and practicality, this one's worth a serious look. That wraps up today's review on Bike Review Hub. What do you think of the 2026 Passport upgrade or same old story? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let us know which SUV we should review next. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more no-nonsense vehicle reviews. Catch you in the next one. Ride or drive safe.